What are we putting in your mouth right now?
And Coke and ice?
Yeah, he was drinking Coke. I asked him. He said he
Went up the big signs.
Which one?
All of them.
Ah, damn.
You're shaking your head already.
You got an ass hickey? Do you have an ass hickey?
You have a hickey on your ass?
That tastes like peach cobbler. I swear to.
Yep.
Yeah. And
What?
that show I used to watch.
You ain't supposed to eat the peaches until it's gonna be empty. Here. Hold that. Fuck, I can't talk. I want to get a pizza.
My fingers are too fat. I can't get one out.
I can't.
Wait, do it again.
Hey.
I don't know if you want one.
I can't.
What? Oh, do it again?
Yeah, get me a pizza. My fingers are too short.
Shit, babe. Shit.
It's hard.
That's what she said.
Mark, you might not want to do it.
Hey, it's all hard.
Oh my God.
Damn, you hit the spot. Tastes like candy.
Well, that's enough fun for me. I'm just not in a partying mood. Found something else I didn't want to find in my yard. Well, that stupid calico cat done had kittens again. And a bunch of people seen a bunch of little baby kittens running across the damn road. And I seen a black one in the yard. Kind of took off. Immediately, everybody's like, "You want these kittens?" I'm like, "No. I want no more baby cats." I told everybody just leave them alone. Let mama cat do her mama cat thing. Let her gather them and take them back in the woods or wherever the hell they need to go. I don't want no kitties. I'm not Bubbles.
Nice too, that's the only thing I have that didn't judge me, call me a big googly-eyed bastard. Well, with me and kitties, it's kind of like that book Catcher in the Rye. Did you ever read that one? I'm kind of like the guy that looks out for all the kitties in the park. Otherwise, there'll be nobody to take care of them. Like this cocksucker here, I found him in a storm drain. Fucking name spray painted on him, and burdocks all fucking stuck to him. But I cleaned them all up. Look at them. That's one fucking nice kitty right there.
I didn't get anything tore down in the house. I'm still thinking about going over there and trying to do a little bit. And I forgot I had tomato plants. And I just want to check on them. There's one tomato there. Got a couple on this one. I don't really see anything on these. I got one little one here. And my cherry tomatoes. Looks like they're breaking over. Because they're bolting, reaching for the sky. This guy here bent, but you know, I guess he's still okay. He's making tomatoes. This one here bent over. We'll just let them do their thing. I'm kind of curious if they'll keep growing. You know, the lettuce, I'm just gonna let it go. It's getting tall. This is still growing. Still got blackberries. They're all not dead, so we'll let them do their thing. Maybe something will come of it. Who knows? Well, it's about 5 o'clock. I'm finally back and getting wounded. I wanted to get here earlier today. Had more things kind of come up. And it was hot. It was really hot. So I decided to wait until this afternoon. So all I'm doing now, taking out the windows and trying not to bust them. Set them over here. And this is the first one I took out. Broken glass. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows I want to get out. Hopefully I can get that done this evening. Yeah, small little progress, you know, beats 0. And I got some bad news. From what I can tell, there is no axle underneath this trailer. So that sucks. So getting it out of here is probably going to be fairly impossible, to say the least. So I got a feeling this old trailer might be destined for the Sawzall blade and cut it in sections. I'm going to see if I can't maybe find some people that would be interested in getting the insides out of it. And yeah, it's kind of sad. Also, I was talking to the owner, Steve, yesterday, and he didn't realize how much good lumber was here and how good a shape it was in. And since he's going to be building a house on this location, you know, I told him, I was like, Steve, if you would like to keep this wood, by all means, I'll take it down, stack it for you, because these are $14 a piece. And, you know, he's an older guy. I guess he's mid-60s, 70s. He just wants to have a good place down here for his family to come enjoy. And he's already built a big house a couple hour away. And so he's trying to do this as affordable as he possibly can. So, yeah, kind of bittersweet. I'm still getting paid for the job, but I'm going to go ahead and just stack this lumber, let him use it. Like I said, I'm just going to do goofy stuff with it, you know, carport maybe, or, you know, there's really not a lot I need all these 2x4s for. I much would rather have 4x4 posts and 6x6s. So I think I'm going to commandeer these 4x4s that are in the structure, and then he can have all the 2x4s, which there's not a lot of 4x4s in it. There's probably 6 total, but I'd much rather have 4x4s than 2x4s. So that's what's going to end up happening. Finally, it quit raining. Enough where I could get down here and take a look, make sure nothing blew away. I'm gonna go ahead and pick my messes up and get ready for tomorrow morning. It's supposed to be cool, like low 70s now. So I think tomorrow's going to be a good day to try to get some stuff done. And that's what I'm going to try to do, man. I got to start making some actual progress. Yeah, that's all that is. It's just is it a 4x4 going across? Surely not. Oh well. But yeah, tomorrow I'm going to try to definitely get some major work done. Oh yeah. I was going to tell you all. I had a random phone call today about a realtor. Apparently, somebody that I know knows a realtor, and they mentioned to the realtor I was looking to sell my lot. Well, he called and asked if I would be interested in selling both my lots. And I was like, well, I'm not really for sure. I mean, I guess if the money's right. And he basically told me that he's been selling lake lots for $50,000 over asking price. And I was like, are you serious? He's like, man, if I wasn't serious, I wouldn't be calling you. So I really didn't know what to think, but he told me he'd be free in a couple of days, and he'd be more than happy to come out and tell me what my lot's worth. Not including, if somebody was to offer more, He's like, it won't cost you nothing. You ain't got to sign nothing. I just want to give you an idea of what it should be listed for if you decide to. And he goes, I promise. I've been doing this 30 years down here on this lake. And people are just tripping over themselves to get property down here. So I was like, what the hell? Come on down. And I'll listen to what you got to say, but I can't make no promises. He's like, well, you might be surprised what people coming from out west might offer you for this piece of property. And I'm like, well, I guess let's see what happens. And he's like, what would you have to have right now to sell the lot that you live on? And I was like, I've always told people that, between 40 and 50, that would cause me basically to fairly, easily sign on the dotted line. So he goes, not a problem. So I kind of laughed, and I was like, oh, I'll talk to you when you come down, and who knows? You just don't never know.